Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so this problem is actually quite involved. So we have four mechanisms that can be generated at on our skin. The first mechanism is metabolic generation of heat, which has a constant power P1 equals to 280 watts. The second mechanism is by heat convection from air, and the power of heat transfer in this mechanism is given by P equal to K prime times the area of the skin times the difference in temperature between the air and the skin. And we're given that K prime is equal to 54 joule per hour degrees Celsius meter squared, and the area of skin is equal to 1.5 meter squared. The air temperature is equal to 47 degrees Celsius, and the skin temperature is equal to 36 degrees Celsius. So from these numbers, we can plug in this formula and calculate P2. So P2 is going to be 54 joule per hour degrees C meter squared, but we have to convert this number to joule per second. So in order to do that, we multiply this thing with 1 divided by 3600 seconds per hour, because there are 3600 seconds per every hour. So then multiply by the area of the skin, which is 1.5 meters squared, multiply by T by 47 minus 36. And if you plug in these numbers, you are going to get 0.248 watts. The third mechanism is by absorbing the radiation energy from the sun, and this is also pretty simple. So the radiation energy from the sun has an average power per unit area of 1400 watts per meter. So we just take this this number multiplied by the area of the skin. So P3 would be equal to 1400 watts per meter squared multiplied by 1.5 meter squared, and this is equal to 2.1 times 10 to the third watts. And the fourth mechanism is by absorbing the black body radiation from the air. So the black body radiation from the air, we have to recall Stefan-Boltzmann's law, which is P is equal to A times sigma times epsilon times T air to the fourth minus T skin to the fourth. And so this is equal to the area of the skin is 1.5 meters squared. Sigma, the Stefan-Boltzmann constant, is equal to 5.67 times 10 to the negative 8 watts per meter squared, K to the fourth. And we assume that the skin is a perfect black body, so that makes epsilon being equals to 1. And then finally, we have TA is 320K to the fourth minus 309K to the fourth.